Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube if it's not working on your smart TV. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find the settings app or the settings section on your device, and then just find the applications section. Okay, not the application section from the home screen, but the application sections of the settings menu. All right, select applications right here, and then depending on your device, you may have some locks or whatever right here. So just to enter your PIN, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to Manage Installed Apps. Tap on it. Now go to find YouTube right here. Tap on it. And then this time, just tap on Force Stop. Just tap it once. And then once that's done, okay, by the way, we don't need to uninstall the specific application. Once that's done, find the Clear Cache button. Tap on it, and then after that, tap on Clear Data. Tap on it, and you will have a pop-up that says OK or Cancel. Just tap on OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up YouTube and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go back to the same set of pages right here. This time, again, tap on Force Stop, and then Offload. Okay? You go ahead and hit on Confirm right here. It will ask you to update the app. You can update it if your TV supports updating it automatically. Well, just wait for it to update. Okay. If not, you could just go ahead over to your App Store, find YouTube right here, just like this one. Tap on it, and you should be able to see a Get or Cloud icon. I'll just go ahead and install the update. Okay. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. That is how you fix YouTube if it's not working on your smart TV. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.